So basically, I'm gonna have a trial and fail, and Jack and Kevin, the cameraman's recording me right now. So basically, we're pranking Connell, they're half of trial and fail, and we're making waffles, and I know he's gonna come in and want some. So yeah, so we're doing the ketchup and baking soda. Basically, if you get ketchup, put baking soda in it, shake it up, and it makes an explosion. So yeah, let's do it. So we're gonna use a lot of this baking powder. I mean like a lot. And here's ketchup. Brand new bottle. So I'm going to quickly clean everything up. I'm going to clean the bottle up, shake it up, and then wait till Colin comes home. So yeah, let's do it. So I'm going to hide the camera. Colin's coming up now. Kevin's disappearing, so it's going to be me and Colin. So here we go. Yeah, you can have two.
Yeah, when's Kevin come around?
What?
When's Kevin come around?
Kevin should be around like, I don't know, half an hour now. Like he texted me a while ago and he said, here, want some ketchup?
Yeah, I know. Dude, what the fuck is up with your bottle?
Yeah, no, I was leaking, so I had to like tape it all up. Like, that's that right.
You're the one who did this, right?
Yeah,
because I know for a fact
yeah,
your mum would not do such a bad job.
Like, yesterday, and then I had to like polish it and clean it up. So, yeah, get you. I need to get some here. It's not coming out.
No.
Open it from the top.
What? Oh, the fuck? What the fuck is in this?
Oh my god, that was class! Oh my god!
Look at the room!
Oh my god, that was class! Oh my god!
What the hell did you do?
Why did I put baking soda in it? Look at it! Guys, this is literally all the mess we have to clean up. This is like, they worked so perfectly, but so like, I am screwed if my mom comes home. Like, it's all my curtains, windows, doors,